In this exercise, we will start with this sketch and we will recreate the flag in Illustrator and get this result. Create new, same settings, create. File, place, go to exercise 6, template, and then click on place. First thing we're gonna do, we will start drawing the stripes of the flag. To do that, we click on the rectangle tool, and I'm going to create a rectangle as big as the flag, just like that. And then I'm going to here the height value, and I'm going to write /13. I'm going to divide it by 13, divide the value by 13, and then press enter. And now we have one white stripe. I'm going to turn it from white to red, and I'm going to remove the stroke, just like that. Selection tool, and I'm going to take it all the way to the top, and I maintain shift and leave it here. Now I'm going to need 12 more copies of this stripe. To do that, I press Alt, I duplicate, and I maintain shift at the same time to keep it on the same line, and I'm gonna place it right here, just underneath it, and leave it there. Now we need 11 more copies. We can repeat the same process, or we can save time and go to Object, Transform, and then Transform again. What this will do, it will repeat the last action. That way we will save a lot of time. We can either click here, transform again, or use the shortcut Control D. So I'm gonna press Control D once again, Control D, and repeat the same thing until we get 13 stripes. Now I'm gonna select this stripe, press Shift, this stripe, select this stripe, and this stripe, and I'm going to turn the color from red to white, just like that. Now we have 13 stripes. The first part of the flag is finished. I'm going to select everything, go to Object, Hide, and then click on Selection. And now everything we did is hidden. It's not deleted, it's hidden. We will bring it back later, but for now we need to focus on this part. I'm going to zoom like that. Rectangle tool, and I draw a rectangle like that. I'm going to change the color from white to blue, and I'm going to swap fill and stroke for now, so I can draw the stars, and then we will swap again. To draw the stars, we need to click here, click and maintain, and go to Star tool. Now if I click and drag, I can draw a star. If I want a perfect star, perfect shape star, I press Shift and Alt at the same time, and look what happens. Now it's a perfect star. I just draw it like that and leave it. I'm going to fill it with black and remove the stroke. Zoom some more. Press Shift, resize it, make it smaller, like that. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, about this size. Now I'm going to duplicate it several times. So I press Alt and then click here, maintain Shift to keep it on the same line, and make one copy. Once I make one copy, I can repeat the same action like we did with the stripes. So Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now we have 6 stars. I'm going to select 5 of these stars, press Alt, duplicate just like that, and I can move with the arrows. I'm gonna place them right here. I'm gonna select all these stars, 11 stars, press Alt, and then make a duplication, press Shift 2 to keep it on the same line, and I'm gonna leave them here. And now I can repeat the same action, Control D, Control D, Control D. I can now select these 5 stars and delete them. Select the rectangle, swap fill and stroke. I'm going to select everything, press Shift and click on the rectangle to deselect it. It was selected, I pressed Shift, I clicked on the rectangle again, and I deselected the rectangle. Now we have all the stars selected, just the stars. We are going to change the color from black to white, just like that. Now we need to bring back the stripes we did in the beginning. To do that, object, and then click on show all, and now we have our flag. One little thing, just need to make a small adjustment. I'm going to zoom a little bit. I'm gonna change the size. I'm gonna make it a little, increase the height. And make a small adjustment here, just to make the flag perfect. And that's enough. One last thing, I'm going to add a background rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle like that. Change the color to sky blue. Right click, arrange, and then send to back. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.